Warning, this is purely speculation. I am not a professional, but if you want to learn about space stuff, keep watching. Okay, so I saw a question from one of my favorite YouTubers, Joe Bart, of why there are these massive gaps in space. So if you look at space, like drawings of it, there are bunches of galaxies and then these massive voids. And I am not a professional at science, but I do believe I have a theory, and it relates to gravity, which is what all of space kind of revolves around. Here, let me show you. I'm using drawings. Essentially, with gravity, something in the middle attracts other things, like Timmy over here that's smaller, into this sector. But even though little Timmy is getting attracted to this, little Timmy is still also attracting things. Now, I'm going to teach you about clusters. This is a supervoid. This is cluster 1. This is cluster 2. Obviously, in space there are much more clusters. But, here's the thing. Even though the center of this mass, which would be a star of some kind, is holding all this together, and this is holding all this together, these are still pulling each other. Now, if you look at the images of the supervoids, it is sections, almost spiderweb-like, with voids in between. Let me show you why. Oh shit, I dropped my pen. Sorry if my fingernails look dirty. I need to clean them. Okay, here we go. Now, I'm sure you guys know what triangles are, yes? So, think of it like this. Cluster 1 is also pulling on cluster 2 and 3. So, but these are equally pulling on it. So, not all of their mass, but their dusts, and their mini planets, and their asteroids, and stuff along those lines. Their smaller things will interlock, forming these sort of like brain currents or like rivers. And if you look, there's space in between. Space in between, because there's no reason. These are the most efficient routes. These are the straight routes. Because it's not like where it's accelerating towards that way and then going loop-de-loop-de-loop. No, the gravity itself is pulling it its way, so it will go the most efficient route. And when you have these three, you have the triangles. Triangles appear in nature quite often from what I'm aware of, so this could be why we have a bunch of these super voids, because we have a bunch of overlapping triangles, and all of the triangles connect to other triangles, which inside of the middle of these triangles form the super voids. While they are not perfect triangles, they are still kind of triangles. I hope you like and subscribe this video. If you guys want me to do more science-like content or anything about learning, please like and subscribe and comment.